How to make garlic juice to improve your immunity. You definitely heard about the benefits of garlic, right? Here, on our channel, we've already talked about it several times. There is a video that talks about its benefits, a video that teaches you how to use garlic to treat rhinitis, a video that teaches you how to sleep faster and better, and many more. Many people talk about the benefits of garlic juice for our health. But have you heard about it before? Many people say that garlic is an effective antibiotic that improves the immune system and avoids colds, while others believe that the antioxidants present in garlic can help prevent cell damage and eliminate toxins. Amazing, isn't it? In addition, garlic can also be used to reduce cholesterol, stimulate a healthy appetite, and reduce the risk of asthma. Do you want to learn how to make garlic juice? Type the ingredients. 2 garlic cloves, 2 carrots, 1 apple, a small piece of ginger, some stems of parsley. Put all ingredients in a blender with 2 cups of water and mix them. Drink juice every day while fasting. Very easy to make, right? Did you know that the best way to get all the benefits of garlic is to eat it raw? This juice can help you in many natural remedies. Garlic contains vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin C and vitamin E, as well as minerals such as calcium, copper, sulfur, magnesium, iron, potassium, selenium, and phosphorus. Garlic has many benefits that it provides to our health, such as helping the digestive system and blood circulation, stimulating the immune system, lowering blood pressure and fighting heart disease, in addition to helping to eliminate toxins. Garlic juice is a great way to preserve its properties, which, according to some studies, are lost after garlic is cooked. Did you know about that? However, as with any natural medicine, garlic also has some contraindications. People with blood clotting problems, strokes, suspected strokes, heavy periods, stomach pain, hypotension, or anyone who will undergo surgery should avoid consuming raw garlic. In addition, garlic should also be avoided by newborns. Now that you know the benefits of this powerful homemade and natural recipe, give it a try at home. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and support us by liking the video.